Does Chime let you borrow money? Well, the answer is yes, but no. Chime does not offer traditional loans like you may expect, but it does provide some features that can help with short term financial needs. One of the services Chime offers is SpotMe, which allows eligible customers to make debit card purchases that exceed their balance up to a certain limit without incurring overdraft fees. The service is not exactly a loan, but rather a safety net for small overdrafts. Additionally, Chime offers a credit builder feature, which helps users build their credit score by allowing them to use a secured credit card and repay it. If you're specifically looking for loan products, Chime doesn't currently offer traditional loans, but you can explore other options depending on your needs. And if you're on the Chime application, all you want to do is you want to go to the top left, press on the gear icon, then go ahead and scroll down, and then you should see the option that says Spot Me. And over here, we also do have the credit builder that I was talking about earlier. So for Spot Me, all you need to do is go ahead and pay it, and then you just need to set it up by setting up direct deposit on your Chime account. And also keep in mind that you will need at least a $200 deposit before you actually are able to use the benefits of SpotMe, and you will need to put in this $200 deposit every single month. So please keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.